I don't mind it. Light them up. Traction control's so good. Like,
all right, let's stop.
all right. Does this have the thing if we rear end? I didn't see that as a feature. If we rear end a truck, will it stop us? Halogen bulbs for 41,000 that doesn't have xenon? Hey, what's up guys? It's Mike here. Welcome to my channel if you haven't been here before. Today my friend and I are reviewing the BMW X1. This is a 2018 model year, so in a moment we'll play some more clips. I'll show a bunch of features of the vehicle, give you our thoughts, the good, the bad, the ugly, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I do have a lot of motorcycle videos. I'm going to be having some more car videos, some house DIY videos, so I hope you like it and enjoy. 2019 X1 xDrive28i.
2018.
What did I say?
2019.
Damn it. For a cool MSRP of 41. Push start. What is that little arrow in the middle? Is that your nav telling you?
Yeah, I think it's just telling me the next direction. So it will change.
Kinda cool, I suppose. I don't know if that's normal.
Yeah, that's not super novel. I mean, my 2015 Grand Cherokee does that.
I assume no heads-up display.
Negative.
Do we know, is this four-wheel drive?
I don't think so. You can check. Is it just an I or an X drive? I don't think it is.
xDrive.
So it does.
So it is. That's basically the all-wheel drive.
Yeah.
It uses it when it needs it.
Yeah.
Jet black. Color is Sensatec Oyster Black. No extra cost for that. Convenience package: power folding mirrors, universal garage door opener, comfort accessory keyless entry, panoramic moonroof, lumbar support, ambient lighting, Sirius XM radio, 1-year subscription, heated front seat steering wheel, that was $550. Region specific, I don't know what that means. Larger capacity fuel tank, that's nice. 18-inch wheels. Performance control, Steptronic auto transmission, heated steering wheel, sport steering wheel, run flat tires. Maybe that's why your tire didn't blow out recently.
Sport.
Put it in sport. Does it feel sportier? The revs hanging.
Yeah, it's just revving a little higher.
What else do we have here? Run flat tires, rear view camera, which was interesting. When they put it in drive, it kept it there for about 10 seconds. Roof rails in aluminum, matte chrome exterior trim, powered tailgate, fine wood, fine line trim. That's in quotes, so that's obviously not wood. Power front seats, okay. Center armrest, sport seats, center armrest, heated front seats, automatic climate control. Also, we paid $400 for the sport seats and $300 for this plastic wood. Let's see. Auto climate control, advanced RTTI. Does that mean anything to you?
No.
I'll have to look that up. Remote services. Navigation business, $950. Great. Anthracite headliner, so black colored headliner. Refrigerant included, all season tires included. A cool $9.95 destination charge. This is fixed, right? I wonder how many people try to mess with it. Oh, CD. Let's see if there's anything in there. No.
Mine is a CD too.
Alright, I'm gonna hit mode.
They have a sensor. Yeah, they do.
What does that do?
So without push, see it pop up there?
Yeah,
Just run your finger over them, but don't push them down.
So
And it tells you what it would be if you were to push it. Mine does that too.
So I'm not even pressing. I'll hit 7. I'm not even pressing it, right? That's kind of cool.
Yeah, that is handy.
I would not have known that. Heated seats.
Yeah, that's directing the airflow.
Face, chest, feet. Does this have the thing if we rear end? I didn't see that as a feature.
It is not.
If we rear end a truck, will it stop us? Halogen bulbs for 41,000 that doesn't have xenon? Come on, BMW. My butt's on fire. Yeah, what were you saying about the telescopic steering wheel?
So the telescopic is just manual.
Yeah.
But there's this button right next to it that is the seat, the steering wheel heater.
Steering wheel heater's on the side,
Yeah.
left side of the column.
Yeah, way down low. By like right here.
Oh, found it! After an hour of complaining, we found it. That's gonna be the title of my video. No USB in 2018 X1. And there's one. That's it. So we have manual bolsters. Figure that. Right? What else was cool or terrible? Small mirror. Didn't know how to do that. I'm 6 foot. So, how tall is it? Like
5.5 maybe?
maybe.
Probably less.
I don't mind it. You want any coffee?
No thanks.
All right. Where are the? First off, cup holders. Not a big fan of the placement. So foot on brake. All right.
We're gonna drop you off here and then we're gonna go super slow.
In 600 feet,
Traction
turn
control
right
works.
onto Prospect Street. Turn right.
Oh, traction control's so good. Like,
All right, let's stop.
all right. How would you say the suspension ride comfort is?
It stinks.
It stinks.
I think so. What do you think?
It's tough to tell from the passenger side.
Yeah, it's
Like
not,
speed bump or
it's
bumps in
not-
the road.
It's not comfortable.
So, yeah, it does not have the airbag suspension,
No.
which you're like floating basically, right?
Yeah. The things I can most readily compare it to, it is much worse than a 2018 BMW 5 Series.
Yo.
It is much worse than a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It
What's
is-
the Overland with the
Overland? Yeah.
with the airbag suspension?
Yeah.
So
It is much worse than a 2007 Saab 9.3.
this has
wagon.
worse
Yeah.
worse suspension than the 07 Saab wagon. Interesting. So interesting design. We got a little lower vent coming through on the side.
that you can't steer like you can the others. Yeah, I guess you can.
Can you? I mean, you can steer the side, but I don't know if you technically. Yeah, I guess it.
And this light is
This is gonna be one feature-packed interior review. Yeah, that's $300 though.
That's crazy.
Alright, so if you made it this far, you're probably wondering, alright, so I saw a bunch of features, well, what do they really think of the vehicle, of the X1? So overall, I think from the exterior, it's a very sharp car. I like the looks of the styling. It's more of a crossover than the SUV. I guess when it gets down to it, it comes down to price and are you getting the value. So they're asking $41,000 for this car. The inside, there's a lot of hard plastics, not a ton of features if you compare it to some of the other models that BMW offers. With that being said, if you do need a crossover, you have some change, or maybe you can get this on a decent lease or deals or rebates, it might be the vehicle for you. I know we're hating on it a lot just for fun. We wanted to prod all the different features, but not for me personally. It might be for you. Just wanted to give you kind of an overall view of the vehicle inside and out. Let me know what you think, and again, if you like this video, please subscribe, and that will encourage me to create more videos. Alright guys, have a great day. Bye.
I don't wanna fall. I don't wanna fall. I don't wanna fall again.